Okay, now this is something new, so you may want to key into your phone and then you go and see. But can I just answer this question by Desmos? Can? Can I bring out Desmos now? Can So let me bring out Desmos and let me sketch. Can you read out? Simple. Y equals to x squared minus 4x minus 3. Like that. Okay. Now, I want to zoom the graph. What I want you to draw is actually the axis and the red graph. So can I go back to my notes? So my axis, you see, number of points in the x-axis. So I draw the axis and what? The red graph. Red graph is what? Cut how many points? With the x-axis? 2. Do you see 2? Can I go back to my graph? So you like that. Anyone got problem understanding this graph? By the way, how do you draw this graph in the exam? Very simple. I can use SILT. Okay? Either I complete the square or I factorize this fella. Okay? Then using SILT, I come up with this. But what I want you to observe is this. What is the number of intersections with the x-axis? How many? 2. Can you write down 2? 2. Like 2. What's the nature of roots? What's the nature of root? B squared minus 4AC is what? When I have 2 points like that, more than 0. Do I want to test? Can I test? Can I test? A equals to what? 1. B equals to -4. C equals to -3. Can you test now? Minus 4 square minus 4, 1, -3. What's the answer? Calculator? Oh, 28. Yeah? More than 0. Can you see everything linking together? When it's more than 0, I say that there are 2 intersections. There are 2 distinct roots. Oh, discriminant is due here, I'm sorry. So I jump the step. This is equal to 28. Okay? Now next example, I don't want to jump the step. I want to do same like left to right. So can I go to the next page? Okay, now you try. Looking at this, what is A? What is B? What is B? 0. What is C? -5. Because this is as good as writing this. So some of you cannot see. Can you write this down? Do you understand now? Huh? No x, 0x. So like that. Can you help me with the discriminant? Rachel, how much? Sub, correct. So B squared minus 4AC. Can I give you some time? Now I want you to complete the first 2 columns. The graph one, leave it to me. But if you want to do the graph also okay. I draw. If I draw on top, got touch or not? No. Don't draw. Answer is yes. Why? Because my tail will extend. It will touch. My tail will extend. It will touch. So therefore, I got to use the reverse key, reverse key, reverse key, and therefore the graph should be below. Can follow? Okay. Can you now try the C now? I pause the video here. Oh, this is 1, 1, 3. What's the determinant? Yeah. What's the final answer? -11. So D is still, then this is still no real root. Oh, Mia, what's the answer? So confident. Sekali is you wrong. Still recording. Oh no. So long. In 5 minutes. Mingyuan, what do you write? B square. 1 square minus 4, 1, 3. Hey, counselor. I tell Miss Cha. Okay, I call now. Yeah, Mingyuan, so what's the answer? Negative 11. X is 1. X is 1, no. A is 1. Where got X? B is 1 what? Okay, so no real root. Can you help me with the graph? U or N? U. Do you see that? Yes. Okay. So based on these two, can you put a star? Who what? Who say what? SILT. This is A what? A is positive, is U. A is negative, is N. Okay, continue. These two, can you put a star there? These two is O-level favorite question. O-level favorite. No. It's not because on top, but can you draw below? Jing Feng, can this happen? Hey, hello. Go back to your email, say A is negative means U shape, N shape. A is positive means U shape what? Now, Jing Feng, if I have like that, is it called don't touch? No, so because the tail can grow, right? So it's like that. Now, can I conclude, everyone? When this is always can everyone help me? Use another color. Follow me, please. Can you help me? Use another color. Draw the y-axis. Gerald, can you draw the y-axis for me? I'm referring to the first one, Ken. First one, I zoom in, First one. Can you help me write down 1, 2, 3, 4? What about this one? -1, -2, -3, -4. Take out a highlighter and highlight. This is my graph. How do you describe this blue graph? Is it positive or negative? Is it obvious it's negative? Obvious, Obvious. So you say that negative, when it's negative, what do you see about the roots? Okay. So can you write down? Okay. So this one is. So can you write down this one is graph? Okay. Equation. Can you write down equation? Equation is negative. What can you say about the roots? Negative. 0 roots. Who don't understand this? Okay, I explain again. Now this is important. You please understand. Don't understand must sound out. Because this is O-level, one of the favorite questions. Equation is negative means what? The curve is here. So I write -1, -2. The whole curve is at the negative region, right? So we say the curve equation is negative. What do you notice when the equation is negative? How many roots are there? 0. And what do you know about the determinant? So So you can see that over here, I continue to write. Is it recording? Okay. So this is no real roots. I continue to go back. This is what? Determinant is what? Less than 0. Do you see that? Can I compare with the one below? Can I compare with the one below? Okay, let's look at the below one. Can you write down the... What do you notice about my blue graph? Do you see that it is in the positive region? Positive region. So what can you conclude? When the equation is positive, what do you notice about the roots? 0 roots. What do you notice about the determinant? No real roots. Or D smaller than 0. Do you see the two conclusions? Now let me summarize in the finding. Super important, super important. When this is always positive, what can you say about the determinant? Less than 0. When this is always negative, what do you say about determinant? Less than 0. Why do I say this is very important? Because I will write down the error in the next question. Can I write down the error in the next question? Okay, before I continue, who don't understand this? Okay, which part, Zahira? Please help your friend. This one. This one. Do you understand what do I mean by equation positive? Do I understand by why no real root? Do you understand because why b is less than 0? Oh, then what is this one? So see, positive, what happens? When the graph is always positive 0, when the graph is always positive, we say that the determinant is less than 0. Né? Positive is less than 0. Né? I follow this one. Who don't understand? A must be more than 0 because A is a U shape. This A is zero and the N shape. Can you follow? Can Now I want to pause the video here and then I